Well, hello, or should I say greetings, salutations, and hallelujah. Yes, honey, it's me, your girl, Shangela. Say what? Started to baby now. All grown up. All grown up and honey, ready to celebrate with y'all for prom for all. Listen, we know that proms have been like canceled all across the country, right? Because of the pandemic. But that doesn't mean that we can't still celebrate and come together for an uplifting time to engage each other, you know, in social connection. Because connection is so important, especially during a time like, woo, prom, hallelujah. And look at me, all dolled up. Let me sit up. Look at that. That's fabulous, that's fabulous, that's diva. Hallelujah. Oh Lord, set design. That's what happens when you make your own prom, but that's all right because that's what we're doing. This prom this year is all about bringing us together and realizing what's really important, but also remembering the love. You see, prom for all is something that is meant for everyone. And that's why I'm really excited to be here for this prom celebration. Because that's what we're gonna do, y'all. We're gonna dance, we're gonna party just like y'all were at your actual prom. Now look, I remember my prom, okay? And trust me, you ain't missing much. No, actually, it's a fantastic time to get all dolled up. As you can see, I did for y'all right here in La Casa, okay? And it's also a time that we just celebrate that we made it all the way through the year. And it's a time about love. But that doesn't mean that you can't, you know, not have love. Love is for everyone. Pride is for everyone, and prom is for everyone. And let's celebrate. It's prom! Don't make me go over to the DJ and slip him $20 to do a special request, because you know I will, okay? So here we are, being all cozy, fabulous together, in our outfits, and our gowns, and our diva looks, and celebrating. Listen, I remember my junior prom, right? Junior prom, I was just excited to be going to the dance. See, I was president of the student council. And being president of the student council, you also were, you know, working with the prom committee. So I was in charge of the prom committee. And we had so many different ideas. I had just come back from a trip to Spain, and I was like, oh, we should have a Spanish theme. But so many other, you know, when you're a committee leader, so many other people had ideas. I tried to accommodate for everybody. Just like, you know, these shoes are for everybody, these slides are for everybody. Then my idea was gonna be for everybody. So I wanted to do a lot of different cities. So our theme was midnight on the Mediterranean. And every different corner of the room was a stop, like a cruise ship, like a port stop, right? Everybody got a little stop on the Mediterranean, and that was fabulous. But tonight, there ain't no Mediterranean, there ain't no ship, there ain't no smell of fish, no ma'am. There's only us celebrating, and that's what I'm happy to do with you guys. So thank you for joining us for this virtual prom. Thank you, Tommy, for the introduction, also, and for the invitation, should I say, because I am so proud to be here. And listen, y'all, because you're not able to actually go to a real prom, like in the room and dance, and you know, back in the day, they used to put a ruler between people. Before twerking was a thing, you know, you had to stand like 6 to 12 inches apart from each other, dance like this. Y'all, they can now they just be like, bury that, right? In the prom dress. That's why I'm in a 4-way stretch garment right now. But listen, just because you guys can't do that right now all together, that does not mean that your prom moment that you wanted to have is not valid. I know some of y'all already bought a dress. I mean, I had this in the box ever since the beginning of the school year. I was ready, okay? So the fact that you already have your look, I hope you put it on. I hope you take pictures. I hope you share those photos of you all dressed up online. Make sure you tag me at Shangela and at UGG. Tag Tommy too, tag everybody, okay? Because we want to see your amazing looks. You deserve to feel special because you are special. And we love you very much, all right? So thank you for joining. Stick around and make sure, you know, I'm gonna drop to the after party and I'll be here dancing and kicking up. Woo, yes, kicking up my cozy heel. Look at this, watch this. Kicking, look at that. She's also sporty and athletic. I do all my own stunts, y'all didn't even know. But anyhow, happy prom, happy pride, and I love you so much. Hallelujah. Bye.